In the virtual world, the owners of the Bloktopia blockchain will take advantage of all the premium features, including studying, earning, playing, and creating. In this virtual setting, users may communicate with others by playing games, amazing their friends, and engaging with them. Bloktopian can speculate on it, sell it for a profit, or rent it out for passive income by trading and renting out virtual property. In this video, we'll acknowledge that Bloktopia Blokcoin is the new Bitcoin. Here's why. Would you want to learn more? So watch the video all the way through. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here we keep you up to speed on all the fascinating discoveries and astounding insights in the realms of finance, NFT, metaverse, cryptocurrency, and emerging technologies. Consider subscribing and turning on bell notifications to receive a ton of entertaining robot content. Without further ado, let's get into the subject. The Bloktopia Metaverse is a 21-story building built using the Unity engine to commemorate the 21 million Bitcoins. Bloktopia has all the information about cryptocurrencies and NFTs that someone may ever need to know. Visitors may make money, play games with friends, create networks, and learn fundamentals or advanced skills from some of the top industry experts around. Imagine Bloktopia as a shopping mall where each store is home to a distinct project, exchange, influencer, or crypto brand that is marketing its content in major points rather than just selling retail goods. The attractions include a gaming floor, more than 200 virtual storefronts, an auditorium for live talks and seminars, and several event rooms. At Bloktopia, anyone with any level of Bitcoin experience is welcome. Holders of Blok, the native token of Bloktopia, often known as Bloktopians, will have easy access to both immersive entertainment and cryptocurrency news. Bloktopia's mission is to actively encourage broad adoption while offering a platform with all the knowledge about cryptocurrencies and NFTs that anybody would require. Web 3.0 and the metaverse are currently hot topics, and various reports on the metaverse's future have also been released. Fortune Business Insights conducted research on the metaverse market between 2022 and 2029 and released the results in a report. This forecast projects that the market for the metaverse will be valued at $1,527.55 billion by the year 2029, up from this year's forecasted value of $100.27 billion. The study found that it experienced a decent free 7.6% compound annual growth rate. The metaverse is also growing quickly, proving that Bloktopia will do the same if the right exposure is given to it. A bull run is another factor that may support the short and long-term reputation of platforms like Bloktopia. It functions quite similarly to the stock market or the cryptocurrency market. In case you don't know what a bull market or bull run is, the market is considered to be in the scenario when the price or value of an asset is increasing. This often lasts a short while. Due to the ongoing consequences of inflation and the recession, recent years in Bloktopia have been challenging. Bloktopia's pricing just saw a remarkable 92% decrease. In actuality, whenever Bitcoin has slowed down, the rest of the industry is affected. Thus, the metaverse currencies functioned admirably up until the Bitcoin meltdown. On the other side, Blok's cost had dropped to a record low of $2. The probability that this will soon become bullish and Blok's performance will improve is likely what is behind this downward trend. Because many technological endeavors have proven to be gimmicks, many individuals don't believe Bloktopia is as real as its brand name would imply. Furthermore, a lot of people continue to deny that Bloktopia is a legitimate game with huge potential. However, if you were to thoroughly examine the market capitalization, you would see that the platform's legitimacy is called into question by its rapid ascent to such a large market capitalization. In terms of valuation, Bloktopia is constantly improving its services, and thus its price. They strive to promote themselves by working with other businesses and bringing on new partners in addition to developing new features. As the partner list grows bigger than it's currently, many will undoubtedly have faith in this platform and decide to invest in it. Additionally, even if Bloktopia isn't in the best of circumstances right now, the cost will increase as more people collaborate. Without a question, there is an opportunity for it to develop and soar to greater heights. As was already said, collaborations are improving Bloktopia and bring a lot of value to the website. Significant companies like Zokyu, Anzu, Vinly, and Polygon are now traveling with Bloktopia in the metaverse. These platforms aid in growing the platform's user base. Additionally, by contributing ideas and working on their development, they help Bloktopia advance. With persistent work, this might be valued up to 100 times what is now. The way a company manages competition is another trait that shows the platform's capacity to reach new heights or sink into the competition. Bloktopia and the metaverse are innovative concepts that greatly increase the standard for competition and inventiveness with their skyscraper-themed mindset. It'll be some time before the other companies start to explore the same idea, but their uniqueness has served them well. Epic Games' Unreal Engine 5 seems to be waiting in similar seas for its first challenge. Epic Games' Unreal Engine 5 has concentrated only on enhancing the user experience by working on enhanced aesthetics and bringing a realistic touch to what their product is providing. Investors, because they trust in this initiative, CoinMarketCap and KuCoin have opted to support Bloktopia on its path. These investors would buy Bloktopian real estate or commercial real estate, which they might then lease or rent out for a profit. Other noteworthy investors worth noting include EU21, Shima Capital, Jake Paul, Moonwhale, Animoca Brands, BitBoy, and GenBlock Capital. Due to the high level of investor confidence in these institutions, they have substantial stakes in Bloktopia. Bloktopia has an advantage over its rivals in terms of creativity. It'll take some time for them to catch up. At that time, Bloktopia may have had a substantial advantage. The VR industry to which this platform belongs is valued at $21.83 billion, and the platform itself includes a big area for investors and partners. It is anticipated to grow by 50% between 2022 and 2030. In addition to selling software, the industry is involved in marketing and selling the various auxiliary assets required by customers to officially use these platforms. Bodysuits, gloves, and headsets are a few examples of these accoutrements. They regularly talk about short-term roadmaps. The most recent news on the Beta 1 release has been eagerly anticipated by many individuals. Launched wallets, a variety of avatar choices, ownership, access to private key stores, and several more events of the same kind are now possible thanks to NFT Lancy. The site's viewers and fans are consistently ecstatic about the regular updates. NFTs are a wonderful idea that appears to be flourishing in the VR sector. These digital assets are being brought in by people from all over the world, and many are making millions in the process. A platform gains credibility and user attraction by having NFT tokens associated with it. Having an NFT LC also has the advantage of increasing security and transparency. Since so many individuals are engaged in the activity and have shown a preference for how these digital art tokens portray the real world, the platform will pull a lot more creative people, growing both the platform and the process. Bloktopia's ability to show the benefits of incorporating a variety of elements to grow and stand out is its most outstanding feature. Their motto of earn, learn, play, and trade has quite a following. This website addresses the issue of not having a trustworthy source to learn about cryptocurrencies due to the lack of awareness about them. We've been looking forward to having a safe and inviting place like Bloktopia in sports whenever we need to learn anything for a while. Even though there's a ton of information about cryptocurrencies on the internet, it is scattered all over. Since many people were forced to spend most of the day at home due to the pandemic, there was a large potential for both companies and individuals to promote Web 3.0. Since these people were exposed to the internet in Web 3.0, this was the case for many people. The audience or fan base is what defines the company's worth, even if these platforms are always changing. In other words, if you ask us, Bloktopia can create 1,000 times the current investment. Bloktopia has a good chance of lasting in the long run when compared to analogous games on Ethereum and other rivals like Decentraland or Mana and Sandbox, even if it's too early to sell Sand. In the global market for augmented and virtual reality, which is gradually making the switch to next-generation gaming technology, Bloktopia is a serious rival. The project has received funding from a few influential investors. The project is already noticeably popular, and there is a high possibility that investing in IDO would result in a financial win, though the truth will come out with time. So that wraps up our video today. What do you think of Bloktopia? Do you think it'll become a multi-bagger coin in no time and you should invest in it right away? Let's know by leaving a comment below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video. We'll meet soon. Thanks for watching.